The Public Service Commission, or PSC, has spoken out on how it guards against elitism and the need for diversity in Singapore's public service. Chairman Eddie Teo said in an open letter that the public service needs to avoid groupthink as our national challenges become more complex.
The PSC oversees the appointment and promotion of key public sector leaders. Diversity has always been something it has considered, but now there seems to be a greater emphasis. Chairman Eddie Teo said efforts to increase diversity will come to naught if divergent views are discouraged. He said the PSC sought diversity by selecting scholarship holders from a variety of schools and backgrounds, sending them to study in different courses and countries, and ensuring candidates are selected based on a broad definition of merit. But perceptions persist that the public service places too much emphasis on academic grades. Over the past 10 years, 68% of scholars came from Raffles Institution and Hwa Chong, two of Singapore's top schools in terms of academic results. This peaked in 2007 at 82%. In the past 2 years, they comprise 60% of the total cohort. But things seem to be changing. Pioneer Junior College has produced 2 PSC scholars over the past 3 years.
I think PSC is shifting. They have been connecting with schools to let us know about the criteria for selection. They even sent us their scholarship executive to be attached to the school. I had one last year, and he spent quite a long time, 2 weeks with us. He actually interacted with the students, shared with my potential scholars, opportunities in the civil service. I thought that was really very good.
3 students from Nanyang Junior College have also received PSC scholarships.
I think it also acts as a form of motivation for a lot of our students, especially students from maybe the middle income families. It acts as a motivation for them to really do well, to excel in various areas in school.
Mr. Teo said the PSC has been redefining its concept of merit over the years. He said in the early days it was in favour of awarding scholarships to students who scored well in exams. Nowadays, the use of psychological interviews has enabled the PSC to better determine other abilities in candidates. These include leadership and communication skills. And unlike what some parents may think, Mr. Teo said the PSC does not look at a student's PSLE or O-level scores. Observers say the emphasis on diversity is critical also as Singapore tries to give equal opportunities to those less well-off.
It recognises that as income gap widen, it becomes more important for the public service to ensure that the scholarship system, the public service, does not become elitist.
Now, this is the second open letter issued by Mr. Eddie Teo since he became the PSC chairman. The first, in 2009, was about the PSC interview process, and it was really to give scholarship applicants a better understanding of the kind of candidates that the PSC was looking for. This time, Mr. Teo said the message was for a broader audience.